Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be learning how to take the black dye out of your lace, because if you're like me, I'm pretty sure that you have gotten black dye on your wigs numerous times. So this technique is very fast and effective, and all I'm basically doing is boiling some water in a pot with I would say like a cup or 2 cups of water, and I'm adding vinegar to it. People use apple cider vinegar, but vinegar does the same thing. White vinegar does the same thing. So I'm basically taking my wig and dipping it in there about 3 times or as many times until I see the blackness come off. Now the water will turn black, but that's why you guys have to do this 2 more times. I would also suggest to have a towel nearby because the water is extremely hot, and I need you guys to put your wig on the towel as you are emptying out that pot of old water and putting new water in it and adding more vinegar, guys. As you can see, it has gotten lighter, but this, because I'm lighter, I do need to dip it more times. And if you're lighter, I would suggest to dip it more times. If you're a darker skin color, you might be able to get away with this, but for me, I did have to dip it 2 more times. If this has worked for you, please comment below. This is a light brown lace, so this is the lightest it's gonna get. But don't forget to also like this video because it means a lot, and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Much kisses.